Tony Lewis here from my Plumbing and Heating. I've got the cab and cockpit cleaner from Scrub. Like all tradesmen, the van gets in a terrible state. I've used this and it's easy to use and cleans up nicely and smells nice. So one of the great things about it is that you've got an on and off nozzle, which means that it's not going to spray when you don't want it to. It'll only spray when you've got it in the on position. So it's a 1 litre bottle. You only use a few sprays, so it's going to last a long time. It is such good value for money. Because of the value and because it cleans so well, I give it a 5 stars.